Welcome back to the channel. If you don't know me, I am Prapti Jaiswal and I welcome you all to Prapti's Holistic Homeo. If you are watching this channel for the very first time, consider hitting up the like button and subscribe to the channel because you are at the very right place, and stay tuned for the videos related to second year and first year. I have already uploaded many videos on that, so do share it with your friends and juniors. So let's begin with the video. So in this video, we will see books for second year. And I hope तुम अभी first year pass करके आ ही गए होगे. All clear. Congratulations for that. And if you have cleared your first year, which was of 1.5 years, so you have already cleared your milestones. So congratulations. Now you have not just ended your first year. It used to happen with us ki, oh, if we are over with your for an example eighth standard, so we used to feel okay, now we have holidays, then we will have break, and then we'll start studying for the ninth year, and then again with that loop of getting stressed for exams, and again the same routine used to be there. But this is BHMS, and once you are done with your first year, you have not just completed your final university examinations of first year, but now you will be more stress free for your upcoming years. So your second year, third year will be little chilled. Like it will not be as similar as it was or as difficult as it was first year, which we find first year to be difficult because all the subjects are new to us, like the syllabus pattern, everything is very new to us. So don't worry about the second year. Now, as you are here to see the books which you have to study, first let me tell you, like here, I am not very much senior than you all. I am just of your age only, and I am also a student. Firstly, I am not a professor. So if you want any teacher to guide you for this, so you are at the wrong place. But if you want a friendly tone nature or a friendly guide, a senior guide, then you are at the right place. So let me tell you that I am just a year senior or a couple of years senior than you all. So yeah, so main thing is we will see budget friendly things because I am Banya. If you know, you know. Moving ahead, second thing is I am not a professor, so I am not going to recommend you the books which are मेरी लाइट क्यों दिक्कत दे रही है. Second thing is कि I am not a professor, so I will not recommend you भारी भरकम books. We will see budget friendly and student friendly book to study. If you are someone who want deeper knowledge about pathology, you can go with the Robbins. But if you want to study normally for exam point of view, then you can go with the Harsh Mohan. And with that also, we don't need to study the whole Harsh Mohan as we had to do in our first year. Like we had to do all the topics. If we have taken digestive system, we had to do all the topics of that. If we have taken reproductive system, we had to go through everything. But in pathology in your second year, we don't have to go through all the topics which are given in the textbook. There are few specific topics. I have already made the video on syllabus. So first go and check that video if you have not seen that. So you will get to know that there are very few topics which we have to cover. So if you don't buy the book, if you don't have that much money or you don't want to spend much, so you can take the Xerox also, which will be just of 1/4 of the actual price of the book. So you can take Xerox and it is more than sufficient. Even मैंने भी Xerox लिया था. You don't need to get into that loop. No. You have to buy the textbook. You can take the second-hand books. First-hand तो मत ही लेना. Second-hand books you can take. Yeah, the third option you can take it Xerox also, because we don't have to go through everything. There are only few topics, and that too if you go with the notes, which I will be making videos on that. So you can use that also. Micro के लिए तो you don't need to take any book. मैं videos बना रही होंगी तो वो काम आ जाएगी. But let's talk about pathology first. So patho में you can take Xerox because कुछ topics ही पढ़ने हैं. You can go with that. So I would recommend Harsh Mohan for us as a student point of view. And if you want to take the deeper knowledge, then you can go with the Robbins. There's FMT. In FMT also, I would like to recommend you two books. One is for deeper knowledge, which is Parik, and second is if you want easy text to understand and easy point of view, then you can go with Singhal's. So Singhal is easy for you to understand, like the text is easy. It is given in a very simpler format than the Parik. So you can take Parik or Singhal for FMT. And FMT is quite easy, and I have already told that toxicology is carries more weightage than the forensic medicine. So you can take Xerox, combine Xerox आ जाएगा दोनों का भी. You can go with that. Then third is Organon and Materia Medica, which needs no introduction to you. You already know what is better for you. But I would say for Viva, you can go with Ellen's keynote, and for the theory point of view, you can use Boric or All-in-One Materia Medica और एसके दुबे तो जो लोग यूज करते ही हैं, एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द प्रोफेसर्स नॉट डू नॉट रिकमेंड एसके दुबे, बट स्टूडेंट यूज दैट फॉर एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. एंड फॉर ऑर्गेनन वी ऑल्सो हैव फिलोसॉफी. So for organon you can use AK Das or Nagendra Babu if you want, and for philosophy you will just come to know at the end कि कौन से ऑथर की तुम्हें फिलोसॉफी पढ़नी है. देन वो तुम्हारे कॉलेज वाले बता देंगे, वरना हम ऑर्गेनन ऑलवेज वी कीप इट फॉर लास्ट फॉर एंड मूवमेंट. जस्ट गो थ्रू विद द वीडियोस, कीप हैव नॉलेज अबाउट दैट, एंड दिस ऑर्गेनन विल बी थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट फ्रॉम विच वी स्टडीड इन अ फर्स्ट ईयर. सो यहाँ पर we will have to study chronic disease versus artificial disease, or natural disease versus artificial disease. Then classification of diseases, very very important for 10 marks. Then for microbiology, micro and pathology goes hand in hand, मतलब not hand in hand, मतलब 100 marks का pathology होता है, 100 marks का microbiology होगा. And to pass the examination we will be having 200 में से total we have to get 100 marks. So for microbiology you can go with Anant Narayan. It is the best book, but बहुत specific topics है. I would suggest you to go with the syllabus, write, note down all the syllabus, and you can go through with the notes, make notes. I will be making videos on that, and please, I'm very sorry that I am not very much consistent with uploading the videos because my final examinations are not over yet, but I still started ki okay, second year jaise start ho gaya, so I should upload videos on that, but I'm not able to being consistent because my final university examination is still over. So need more 15 to 20 days to be very consistent, to be very honest. So yeah, that was it. I hope it helped you all. And this was the main 4 subjects for your second year. You will also be having surgery, gynac, medicine, and repertory. But the theory papers will be on third year. So I'm not including this in this video because I just wanted to keep it short. But if you want, I can make video on that also. So thank you for joining this small but growing channel. Thank you for watching, and let me know in the comment sections your feedback so that we can work on that. And yeah, all the best.